Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by saving your work and backing up a system image. Firmware changes can block booting. Once ready, shut down and power on, then press DEL repeatedly to open MSI ClickBank 5. If the keyboard doesn't respond, swap to a wired USB keyboard and try again. Make sure Fast Boot is disabled in Windows to avoid skipping the key. You'll land in the main ClickBank screen, where we'll locate the Secure Boot controls in the Advanced or Security menus. You now navigate to the Settings or Security tab and look for Secure Boot. MSI labels vary, so check Boot menu if not obvious. Once found, change Secure Boot mode to Custom or Disabled. Custom lets you manage keys, Disabled turns enforcement off. If Secure Boot keys block changes, choose to clear or reset keys. Do this only if you understand the risk because it affects OS trust. After changing the setting, verify that Compatibility Support Module, or CSM, is configured if you plan Legacy Boot. You finish by pressing F10 to save and exiting the BIOS. Confirm the prompt and allow the system to reboot. If Windows or another OS fails to start, make sure Secure Boot wasn't required by that OS build, and re-enter BIOS to toggle settings back or restore keys. If the machine is unresponsive, try clearing CMOS via motherboard jumper or remove the battery for 1 minute to reset firmware defaults. One tip: keep a recovery USB ready so you can repair boot records if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.